That's close enough. What's up, everybody? We have a 2015 Bowman Draft Jumbo. This is for Dave B. Good luck. It's going hunting. Hunting for a Benny, a Dansby, a Rogers. I need a baseball. Just ComC stuff, right, buddy? Get blurry. Alright. See what we can pull you. Good chromes in this. Delay on refractor might be ComC worth. No other chromes. Didn't even get your proper display box. Okay. And there's a Calhoun chrome. There you go. Calhoun and Benny. Chromes. Just need to see those with ink now. Brecken Williams. Gibson. There's a Tate, Allard, Ortiz. First auto. Connor Abigio for the Astros. Craig's kid. Well, one of Craig's kid. The other one is in the Jays organization. Alright, next pack. Mikey White. Sean Newcomb Sky Blue. That might be ComC-able. Maybe, maybe not. Foster, Jackson, Kellogg, and Forrest Wall. Traffic still busy. Down in the ATL. Allard Harris. David Dahl, Sky Blue, and then you get a blue numbered Ryan Clark, 60 out of 150 for the Braves. Numbered card and a Biggio auto so far. If there's anybody hanging out in the room not chatting, we're starting Gypsy Queen at 7:30, so about a half hour away. There's two teams left. The Dodgers and the Rockies are still available. Two solid teams. I think the Rockies have 4 autos, the Dodgers as well. There's a Calhoun refractor. $150 or so on ComC right now. Meadows and Newman die cut. Alex Jackson, numbered Matheny out of 499. Mike's kid. Stewart, Adams, and Zima. Cruising along now. Cruising along on the freeway watching breaks. That's how you beat rush hour. Like 3 packs have started with Walker Buehler. Maybe I'm just noticing that. There's a Walker Buehler chrome. Giolito Scouts Impact. Rivera's Kid. That's a refractor. Carson Sands, Ortiz, Sacco, and Nunez. Blake Perkins. Purple Chrome coming up. You got Eshelman, Rainey, Matthias, Harris, and Sopko. The purple. Greg Pickett, 107 out of 250 for the Phillies. No idea who Greg Pickett is. That would be because he's an 8th round draft pick. Pickett for the Phillies. And Rasconi and Reyes chromes. 4 packs left. You got 2 autos left. Not quite color in there. Clark, J, Young, Perkins. There is an auto though. Newbeck, and it's a pitcher. Andrew Suarez for the Giants. Refractor auto. Unnumbered refractor for Bowman draft. Suarez and Biggio, buddy. And you got a Carson Fulmer numbered base, $4.99 on the silver parallel. Sands, Newbeck, and Foster for chromes. 3 packs left. 1 auto. I know, we need some color. You just put it in the fridge. Hopefully I'll have time to eat. Stevenson, Newman, Judge. That was a nice one. Another $3-4 bucks. Benintendi Chrome Refractor. Does it have a dinky edge? Kinda has a dinky top left, so probably not anything you want to try to grade. Centering's alright though, Dave, for 2015. You know how that was. About the same as 16. That's a nice one. That's probably worth more than both autos. There's an Urias Sky Blue. Braxton, Robertson, Lara, Cronworth. 1 auto remains. 2 packs. Vera, Perkins, Bishop, Biggio, Reyes, and there it is, Christian Stewart, another refractor. You got 2 refractor autos out of there. That's a pretty one. Christian Stewart for the Tigers. He was their first round pick. I didn't know that. Got 1 pack left. Superfractor Chrome maybe hiding in there. I think you're Oda after that box. Let me know if you want to do another one, Dave, or if that's good enough for today. I got time to do maybe 2 more before we get set up for Gypsy. Alright, DJ, you gonna run the bottom one? Okay. I've got more to choose from, too, if you don't like those 3. Lambert, Sky Blue, Willie Adams, Renato Nunez, DeLeon, Jackson, Braxton, Boo. Alright, he's gonna go ahead and do the bottom box, too. We'll rip right into it here. Might help if I put the blade out. Just. Yep. That's right. Oh. Poison soda. Was it you that was talking in the room about you tried to quit it too? Or was it somebody else?
I had 2 kidney stones.
Ooh, that's where I'm headed probably. Yep. That's how it happens. There's 2 nice Rogers for ComC, dude. Base Chrome, Refractor Chrome. First Bowman. Bucker 2. Harvey, is that a numbered blue? It is. David Fletcher out of 150 for the Angels. 6th round pick last year. Well, 2 years ago, actually. It's 2017. And then Devers and Cody Jones. Bolt, Lindsay, Centillion. There's a Glasnow insert. Kyle Wilcox, Giolito, and we got upside downs just to screw with me. More upside downs. Boy, Bowman's just loving me right now. Biggest pet peeve. All right, we got Knicks, Medina, and Houston, Freeland, Impacts, Kebron, Taylor. Nothing in there. No autos. 3 packs in. Finish off the top row. We got Burr, White, Riley. There's a Giolito Impacts. We've got Denton, Clark, and Renfroe and Dahl. Ofer on the top 4 packs for Ink. Oh man. Thought I saw red there. Reflected off. Got excited. Herbert, there's a sky blue Kellogg, and you do have purple chrome. Could be ink. Nope. Domingo Leba for the Diamondbacks. 55 out of 250. Another purple chrome. You get a Sopko upside down. Nunez and Sands for your last two chromes. Alright, Bickford, there's a Fulmer chrome. Think Fulmer chromes might still be solid 50 cents, not sure. There's a Dylan Tate Scouts. Always looks like a red refractor, but it's just the base. Fulmer chrome. Andy, what's up, man? Ooh, that's a nice auto. Dylan Tate snuck up on me. Refractor, now with the Yankees. That's his first chrome. I think he was the 5th overall pick. Better yet, 4th overall pick in 2015. Dylan Tate. Nice one, dude. Big market now with the Yankees. They'll definitely drive those up a little bit. Stream is fine on my end. I don't have any drop frames, Andy. Let me add you into mods, though, dude. Long time no see. There we go. It dropped for Dave, too. It should be back any second, guys, because everything's good on this end. All right, Jabri and Derek Hill. That when it drops. DM YouTube. Fracture of Nickerack. Die cut of Danish and Fulmer. We've got Preston Morrison, numbered base Kirby. 362 out of 499, and the chat went out too. Chat's back. Chat's back. Anybody got video still? Or did it drop? Okay. I know both you guys are on Wi-Fi, so I'm assuming that's probably why it dropped. Isaiah White, and here's another auto. Trent Clark, power prospect for the Brew crew. You got a numbered Dansby under there, too. Clark was 15th overall in 2015. So 2 autos down, right? We got the Tate and the Clark. Yeah, Stewart was from the other case. Numbered Dansby out of 499. First Bowman. A couple bucks there. And we got Julio, Adams, and Newcomb. 4 packs remaining, 1 auto. I'm going to type out your 2 autos to you, Dave, just in case you can't get the video to work. And Trent Clark. Awesome. YouTube just completely dropped. Well, that's why we have backup videos, guys. We're going to go ahead and finish the video on the local. Stream still says it's live on here. It'll probably pop back up for you guys in a second. I was going to say, can you check on your phone, see if the video's on? Your last auto is Eshelman. Eshelman base. He's with the Philadelphia Phillies now. Ron can't get it either on his phone, so it looks like something is off with YouTube. Well, let me finish these last couple packs, then I'll see if it's anything on my end that I can fix. White, Tucker, Cohen, Collins, Chavez, and Meadows. I know it's not anything on our internet side because the streaming music is still playing. Tate, Tagano, Ray, Allen, Peterson, French, Crownio, and McGill. And one last pack. Narrating is much less fun. Yes, it is. Dewey's, Hayes, Nickerack, Bickford, Wall, and you get an Initiations Tate base. Alright, let me save that.